How to see photos in your iCloud directly on your iCloud just on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'll be simply showing you the step-by-step guide where you can simply view the photos on your iCloud, where you have just transfer your photos from your physical memory to the cloud space. So how we can see it? In your iPhone, to open iCloud, you have to go to the setting app of your device here, as I'm opening it, and on the first you will see my name, that is Atanshu Shekhar Mishra, and I will click on it. After clicking it, scroll down, but in the second segment you will see the first option, that is iCloud. Size is also mentioned. I have a full account of iCloud right now, full storage, but whenever you will scroll down to see photos, the first option is photos. Click on the photo, and here you can see that this is the photo, and whenever you will click on the manage storage option, you will see all the photos and things from your account. You can sense this to get all the photos. If you have deleted something, if you have kept something from, so you can simply verify this. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos, updates and reviews like this.